Well, my name's Martin Dougiamas from Australia. I'm the lead developer of Moodle. I've got a background in computer science and education, and Moodle combines those two things, and that's what I work on. I was working at a university helping teachers do online training, and when I'm working with them, I was having a lot of trouble trying to implement their ideas. They had really good ideas, some of them, but the tools available were not good enough. And also, a lot of them were not using the internet to its full potential. So I thought I could build some better tools that would make this work. And I left my job at the university and started doing some studies and working for many years to get Moodle started, and planted the seed, and now the tree has grown since then. The only revolution is that this stuff is happening on the internet, because what good practice on the internet is really the same things that good teachers do in person, face to face. And the kind of theories that are behind what I do go back to Socrates. This is old stuff. So the new thing is, how do we do that through the internet, between people's computers, by passing messages basically. In different ways. That's what the research is about really, and the improvements. So I think it is inevitable. We're all using internet. We all have internet in our pockets these days, and it's well connected that way now. I think it applies to all education. I can't see any education where it doesn't work. Of course you have to have internet, you have to have computers, so that restricts some places in the world. Many places in the world don't have those basic things, but that's changing. So. I want to say this is an extremely beautiful campus, and that the city also is a beautiful city, and I haven't seen too much of it yet because I've been busy in the conference, just talking with some great people, but I'm looking forward to seeing the rest of the city, and I'll be back next year in Madrid.